Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Yahoo. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Yahoo. Maybe because you have seen someone else using it and it really inspired you, so you want to create an account on it. Or maybe you have just joined a office where it is necessary to have a Yahoo account, so you want to create one on it. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Yahoo app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the Yahoo Mail. Once it gets open, you will see this interface. Now it is asking you to get login to your account. But if you don't have an account, then don't worry, at the bottom of the page we have this option which says don't have an account, sign up. So with the help of this option we could easily create an account. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to go to the web browser version of this app, so you just have to simply click on continue because it creates account on the web of this app. After that, it will just take you to any browser, and there you will see this interface. First you will read the title Yahoo, and after that you will read create a Yahoo account. So now you have to enter some of your personal information here, and with the help of that you could easily create your account. You have to enter your name, you have to create your email address, enter password, and enter your date of birth. Once you enter all this information, then just simply click on continue. After that, it will ask for your contact number, and once you give it will create account for you. So into the full name, you have to enter your correct first name and last name, and into the email address, you have to make sure that you enter an email address that is unique, because if someone else have it, it will not allow you to create the same email. After that, you have to set your password, and after that you have to set your date of birth. Once you're done with all these things, just simply click on continue and it will take you here. Now what you have to do here is that you have to enter your contact number. Make sure you enter the correct number because it will send a verification code onto it. So if you have done a wrong contact number, so you will not receive verification code. And once you do that, it will take you here. Now it will ask you to enter a captcha, so you just have to follow what it is asking, and once you fulfill the captcha you just have to simply click on continue. And here you can see the account has been successfully created. Now it is asking for some of the permissions you may allow or deny, and now you have to set the theme of your choice. Here we have 6 color options. You can choose whatever you like the most. Just simply click on next, and it will ask you for some of the other things. You may skip it or may you allow it, it's all up to you. And then it will ask you to attach your other mails to it, so it's all up to you if you want to go with it. Otherwise you can click on maybe later. And here you can see your account is ready. Now you can use it, mail someone, and can do everything with it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on Yahoo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.